Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about body alignment. I will be teaching you the terminology used in ballet to differentiate the different body and legs positioning regarding the audience. So in saying that, let's get to it. We are going to begin by establishing Efface. So what do we call by Efface? As long as we stay totally facing the audience while my legs are actioning, these are going to be called Efface. First position, hands on your hips. And if I open my leg in front, but I'm still facing the audience, that's a badminton due in front and fast. Now, let's change and do a third position of legs. I'm still facing the audience, therefore, this is all still done and fast. Second, we have Croisé, which means cross, which means when our legs action either forward or to the back, we need to see from the audience a sensation of my legs crossing. An example of this, I'm going to face the right diagonal in front of me. I'm going to do first position, hands on the hips, and I'm going to do badminton due forward. Can you recognize the croisé between my legs? My legs crossing? Okay, now I'm going to do the same but to the back. Croisé will be established as well any basic position of legs. Now I'm going to do fifth position, and this time I'm going to face the left diagonal. I'm going to do badminton due forward, croisé, and recover back to fifth. Now I'm going to do badminton due to the back, croisé, and recover to fifth position. Next we have effacé. Effacé is the opposite to croisé. While doing croisé, the audience can immediately recognize that my legs are actioning and staying like a cross, right? Well, while doing effacé, we are rather going to feel that our legs are exposed, are open to the audience. I'm going to face the right diagonal, first position, hands on the hips, and I'm going to do badminton due forward, effacé. Can you see the difference between effacé and croisé? Okay, I recover back to first position. Now I'm going to do badminton due to the back, effacé. This time I'm going to face the left diagonal in front of me, left leg in front, fifth position. Badminton due forward, effacé, and recover. Badminton due back, effacé, and recover. Next, I want you to recognize by yourself on the screen and tell me in the comments below which of the two screens is doing badminton due, croisé, and avant, right or left. And last but not least, we have écartée. Écartée is going to be established when the actioning leg is directed or pointing either to the diagonal in front or diagonals to the back. When my legs are pointing to the diagonal in front, either right or left, that's going to be established as écartée en avant, écartée forward. And then when my legs are pointing to the diagonals to the back, either right or left, it's going to be called écartée derrière or écartée to the back. One example, I'm going to face right diagonal in front of me, first position, arms on the hips. And I'm going to do écartée derrière. You can notice that my right leg is pointing to the right diagonal behind me. And now I'm going to do again écartée derrière. This time my left leg is going to open to the left diagonal behind. Let me show you écartée en avant. Right leg open and pointing to the right diagonal in front of me. However, my body is facing the left diagonal. Now I'm going to show you écartée en avant with left leg pointing to the left diagonal in front, and my body is facing right diagonal in front. Now I want you to mention from this screen, what are you watching here? Is this an écartée derrière or an écartée devant? Comment down below. Baby,